Are you looking for ways to make money online in 2022? In this video, I'm going to share with you different ways to make money online, what I think are the best ways to make money online, and how I've been making money online for the last decade. Hey there, I'm Molly Kaiser, and I'm an online course creator who's done over $7 million in online sales. And now I like to help people just like you turn your passion into your own profitable online course. I'm super excited to talk about different ways that you can make money online in 2022, what I think are the best ways, and how I've been making money online for the last decade. So if you are excited to watch this video and learn just that, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you want to learn more about how to make money online, how to run a business successfully, entrepreneurship, online courses, and all of that, go ahead and hit subscribe because I come out with videos just like that every Tuesday. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about different ways that you can make money online. So first of all, you can sell physical goods online on something like Shopify or Etsy, have your own physical products, right? Another thing you can do is you can be an affiliate for other products. What that means is basically you would find somebody else's product that you would promote to your audience. So this would require you to have an audience, and then you would get a percentage commission on the sales that you make of their product to your audience. That can be physical products, digital products, really anything at all. You can also host things like online workshops, memberships, online courses, create ebooks. There's lots of different ways that you can make money online. The most important thing with making money online is that really whatever avenue that you're gonna go down, you are going to need an audience. It doesn't really matter if you go with a physical product or a digital product or being an affiliate or even just, monetizing some kind of stream. So if you're a blogger, you could put ads on your blog, things like that. Really, whatever avenue you're gonna go down, you do need some kind of audience. And I wanna talk about how I got started making money online, what I did with building an audience, and what I do now so that you can essentially launch your online business and grow your following at the exact same time. You don't have to waste months and years building up a following before you can start to make money online, which is pretty cool, right? Okay, so out of all these avenues of how you can make money online, I have done a number of them. I have hosted online workshops, I've done challenges, I've done memberships, I've done courses, I've done high ticket coaching, I've done lots of different things. I've also done affiliate marketing, blogging, podcasting, you name it, I've probably tried it. And out of all the things that I've tried, hands down, the number one thing that I love most is online courses. So first, let's talk about how I got started with my online course. So way back when I was in college, this was around 2007, 2008-ish, I was really struggling to get through college financially. So I'm sure a lot of you who've gone through college can relate. There's a lot of loans and books and just living expenses and things you need to pay for while you're being a full-time student, and it can be very hard to pay for those things. At least it was for me. And so what I decided to do was I had a love for photography. It was something I was studying in college. And so I decided to start to do photography on the side in order to be able to live, quite frankly, while I was in college and have a way to pay off my student loans over time, things like that. Well, what ended up happening was my photography business took off and I was actually able to build it into a multiple six-figure photography studio. So I ended up dropping out of college, and for a number of years I ran my photography studio. But the problem that I ran into was I was just simply trading my time for money. There wasn't a way for me to scale that business more. I was working a lot of hours. I didn't have a lot of free time. So I really started to think to myself, what is something that I could do using the skills and passion that I have to make money and grow my business and really grow wealth and freedom along with that. So I started doing some research and I realized, I had taken some memberships, courses, different things online, and I thought, this whole online course thing sounds pretty great. Like, you literally just record the lessons for your course, and then when people buy it, they get a login and a password, and they can go into that course and take that course on their own time. So I only have to record the course one time, and I can sell it to an unlimited number of people. So I decided to create an online course helping other photographers. Now, how I got into that was, I had been doing photography for years. I had other people mentoring with me. I had people asking me, if I could help them with their photography business. So if you don't have an idea yet for your online business or your online course, just think about what are things that you're passionate about, things you're skilled in, things that people ask you questions for help on. That's a really good way to get started with that. So what I decided to do was build a following for my course first. I ended up blogging for a year. I built up this huge following, and what ended up happening was I launched my course and it actually was a total flop. I actually don't recommend that you build your following before you create your course. I recommend that you do these two things simultaneously. So I do have a whole training on exactly how to do this. I'll mention it at the end of this video. Essentially, you're going to come up with what is your course idea, how are you going to kickstart it and get people into your course. At the same time, you're going to start building a following for your program. That way, the people that are in your following really align with the course topic. And I really think that that's really important. And it's really good news because you don't need to waste months and years building a following before you can start making money. You can start making money with your online course in 30 days or less. Okay, so you might be wondering, how exactly do people get paid making money online? So I can talk about a few different areas. Obviously, online courses is my main focus, so I'll talk about that first. But how you get paid from an online course is essentially going to create the course, and then you're going to upload it into the software course hosting platform of your choice. I prefer Kajabi. I'll put a link to a 30-day free trial to that software below. And then once that's all uploaded and your course is ready to go, you're going to start selling your course. You're going to create what's called a checkout page, which is where they go to a page that you can link them to. They fill out their information, name, address, whatever, credit card information. And then once they hit purchase, the software then automatically sends them an email with their username and password. So they can then log into that course at any time, take the course. And you're going to hook up your checkout page to something like Stripe or PayPal. And when that person goes ahead and purchases, the money is going to automatically go into whatever account that you have hooked it up to. So maybe it's Stripe, maybe it's PayPal. So essentially, people are going to be able to purchase your course. They get the course instantly and you get the funds instantly. Depends how long PayPal, Stripe takes to send it to you, depending on how long you've had an account with them, et cetera, et cetera. But that is how you get paid from online courses. Now you might be wondering, out of the other methods we talked about, how do you get paid from those? So like affiliate marketing, for example, once you sell somebody else's product, you get a cut of that product, a percentage, and it just depends how long you get paid based on their terms. Some people say you get paid within the week, some within 30 days. So it just depends. You just need to read those terms. And then basically what you're gonna do is fill out a form, which will include your PayPal information typically, and then they will typically pay you through PayPal. Now, if you're going to take a different route, like an online workshop or a membership or an ebook, it's all gonna be really similar to having an online course. You're typically gonna have a checkout page, people fill out their information, they're emailed the product, and you're emailed the money. Easy peasy. So I shared with you guys how I got started with online courses and how you can make money with online courses. But I do want to talk a little bit about my journey because you might be wondering, how long have I been doing this? How long does it take to make money with online courses? And I will cover a little bit about that. So as you know, I had my photography studio, and then I took what I learned from that. I put that into an online course. I actually taught photographers through that online course for over 6 years. We were able to grow that business to over $2 million a year. When I say we, I mean myself, my husband, and our team. My husband actually was able to quit his job and join me in the business. And I have actually done multiple courses since then. My most recent course is called Profitable Courses, and it's where I help people just like you turn their passion into their own profitable online course. So I've been in the online course space now for several years. We've done over $7 million in sales. We've been able to help thousands of students all around the world to improve and grow their businesses and earn more money. So I really love online courses. I really think all the methods that we talked about with making money online are really great ones. But the reason I love online courses is because you can start to make money with it in as little as 30 days, and you can really start to grow the course and the following at the same time. Whereas being an affiliate, you really need to have that big audience already there. So this way, it's just a much easier way for you to get started, and it's a lot more scalable. You're gonna make a lot more of the profits and the money when 100% of it is going to you versus just 20, 30% from affiliating different things. Also, if you're thinking about like ebook, membership, online workshop, that's all great too. But the thing with the membership is people are paying monthly. And so your job is really to just keep them to stick in the membership. So you have to keep adding more and more and more information, which really does add up and is a lot of work and can be a lot of your time. The thing I love with courses is it's more passive income. Once you have the thing made, once you have your sales system set in place, you can consistently be bringing in sales for your course. And like I said, when people pay you, you get the money, they get the login, and you've already created the course. So you don't need to deliver anything additional. You don't need to give additional parts of your time unless you want to add coaching or something like that to your course. So I just think it's a really versatile, great option that's easy for you to get started with quickly, and it's really able to scale exponentially from there. All right, so now that you know some ways to make money online in 2022, you might have enjoyed my story. You might be thinking, you know what, I do want to learn more about this online course avenue. I do want to learn more about how I can get started with that in 2022, how I can start making money from my potential course idea in 30 days or less. And I would absolutely love to help you get started with that. In fact, I have a free on-demand training that's going to help you nail down your course idea, become profitable with it, to actually create the curriculum for your course and learn how to build a following and get sales for your course in the next 30 days or less. So I'm gonna bring down my camera, bring up my slides, and show you step-by-step exactly how to register for that free on-demand training. Just go to profitablecourses.com/class. And here it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for the class. The class is called How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One, even if you're unsure what to teach, feel inexperienced, don't have a following, or you're short on time. We're gonna be covering my profitable idea framework, so you can nail down your course idea or ensure the one that you already have picked out will be profitable and get your students crazy good results. I'm going to be showing you my Post-it Power Hour framework, so you can create your course content in 1 hour and get your course up and running ASAP. I'm also going to be sharing with you my profitable following framework and how I use it to grow a following from $0 to $17,000 in course enrollments in 30 days, even during the peak of the pandemic. This is super fun workshop. You're gonna get a ton out of it. As soon as you enroll, you're gonna get a bonus of my Profitable Course Kickstart workbook, and I'm gonna be sending you some additional free training videos so that you can start to get results and help right away. Students have had great results with my teaching, so go ahead, just click any of the pink Yes, I'd Want to Attend buttons. Go ahead and select the date and time that you want. It will ask you to put your time zone, first name, email address, and phone number is optional, and then you can click to register now. I can't wait to see you there.